Once there lived a prince. His name was Zion. One day he went hunting in the forest. When he was going into the deep jungle, he saw a beautiful girl. She was searching for something. He had never seen such a beautiful girl ever before. She came near him and said,
"You young man, please help me to get out of the forest."
The prince readily agreed to help the girl. Both were on the horse and rode out of the forest in minutes. When he was nearing the plains, they saw beautiful flowers all around in all colors. The girl asked the prince to stop the horse and got down from the horse to pluck some of the flowers. The prince waited on the horse. The girl was moving away plucking the flowers and was soon out of sight. The prince waited for some more time, but she did not turn back. So he got down from the horse and went towards the direction she had gone. But he couldn't see her there. He came near a rock. There he saw the girl talking to somebody. He went near them without their knowledge. The beautiful girl was really an ogress, and she was talking to an ogre. She said,
"A prince is waiting outside the cave on a horse. I will bring him soon,"
she said in a happy voice. The prince found that she was none but the beautiful ogress. Being an ugly-faced ogress, she had changed her figure to attract the prince. He decided to put an end to her. So he quickly moved to the horse and waited on the horse expecting the ogress girl. When she came near the prince and said,
"Can we go?"
the prince sprang on her with his sword and killed her in no time. So he put an end to the wicked ogress and returned to his palace safely.